Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their new HP 255 G5 laptop? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unpack and charge. Unpack the HP 255 G5 laptop and connect it to a power source using the provided AC adapter for a full charge. Step 2. Power and setup. Press the power button to start the laptop. Follow on-screen instructions to select your preferred language and connect to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Install updates. Connect to the internet to download and install any available Windows updates, ensuring your laptop is up to date. Step 4. Secure device. Secure your laptop by setting up a password or other forms of authentication in the system's security settings. Step 5. Install software. Install the software you need for work or personal use and verify that all hardware components are functioning properly. After following these steps, your HP 255 G5 laptop should be ready for use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.